Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to OZR Projects YouTube real estate channel. Finally we did it. I am Hakan OZR.
And I am Yasir Shafiq.
Today we are in Sapanca and we would like to introduce beautiful and lovely, detached type, totally private villa for you. And
Amazing villa.
And this property is on the market. Very reasonable price. Again, very reasonable price. Price of the property you can see it on description. This property is almost on the market almost naked land price.
But don't skip the video. Watch the video till the end and then check the description, okay?
Okay. This is the entrance of the property. In current situation, I will give you some technical information about the property. If you are interested to build something on it, you need to know some details. This is the entrance section. We have in current situation 3,000 square meters land. On this 3,000 square meters land, there is 2+1 made house. And 270 square meters you are gonna see wooden villa which is made in once upon a time ago with very quality, very special material, and it has big size swimming pool, and there are many kind of fruit and plantation trees are available, and also the property has natural water resource for this property. And bro, look to our behind.
Yeah.
There is like a Jannah.
It's very big land and there are many fruit trees like dut, berry, pomegranate and few more. Before we were starting the video, I was already eating some fruits. They are, even my hands, you look, they are
dirty.
They are dirty now because I was eating fruits. And also on that side, there animal cabinets, like there were few animals over there, like you can put chicken. The land is really big. You can do anything over here. Even you can put horses.
Yes, you're right.
Yeah.
It's not exaggerating. Yes, you're right. And listen the voice of the birds, bro.
Maybe you can hear the voices. They are so beautiful.
Yeah, most probably they are hearing the voice, bro.
Yeah. Okay, look. For example, this tree. This has so much berries. Look. It's full big plants. Yeah. Look. It's really amazing. Çok güzel.
Voila, delicious. Like honey.
Like honey, full of fruit, juicy.
And let's show them the channel of the water, bro.
Yeah, let's go. Because this land has a running channel. Water is coming directly from the mountains.
And it is natural water.
Natural water, and you can even put fish inside the water. Look. It's like the running water going all the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
And all the way.
Yeah, all the way till the end. And we will. And this place is for making barbecue, inside. And of course, this property is not new. It's old. Obviously, it needs alteration. But the land is very good choice. This is a good opportunity for the land buyers.
You can give that property as a seasonal rent. In Sapanca, that issue is so famous. In short time, you can get too much benefit for this property because this is directly independent property, independent and private property. Look to the flowers, still channels goes up. And let me show you the resources of the water. I mean, getting tying section of the waters. This is our lovely villa. Look, these type of trees are very expensive. Blue ladin. Do you know? You can feed your own fishes on this property. Pool for fishes is available. Be careful, bro. You can see this is natural water, and we are making this video today, 12 June of 2021. The weather is, we are in the summer. Even the summer term, you can see the water. There is still underground natural water is coming to this property. So let's discover the wooden villa together. And there is directly a masjid near us, walking distance. Directly near this property there is a masjid is available. This is the swimming pool section. Yani let me show the size of the swimming pool. Basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 12 1 2 3 4 5 almost 100 square meters. Size of the swimming pool is almost 100 square meters. So let's discover that beautiful and lovely wooden villa together. Please, if you don't know the prices of the market, please make investigation. At the end of your investigation, you are gonna realize the value of this property. It is on the market with very reasonable price. When we get inside the villa, directly open style kitchen and living room section is welcoming us over here. Yes, this property needs the alteration. If I were you, when I buy this property, I will directly change the kitchen section, and right over here there is a fireplace available. Right over here too, there is a bathrooms available, but it needs alteration too. With this small investments, you can get too much benefit for this property. Everywhere is wooden material, and wooden material is so suitable with the human health. It provides less cancerogen, and it takes the bad energy from the body. In that way, you can spend much more quality and unstressful time in your property. So, brother, keep continuing.
The weather is really hot, but when you come inside this place, it's really cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, outside is like more than 20 degrees.
Because
25.
this is the one specification of the material.
Yeah,
this wooden building was made with the yellow pine.
Yellow
pine. These trees was import from Ukraine. They imported from the Ukraine.
Yeah. Also, like when you are coming inside this house, there is a very good smell. It's so relaxing. You feel so good inside the house. And there is also one bathroom WC on this first floor.
But it is old.
It is old. You need alteration. And also there is one.
Again.
Yeah, there is a
penthouse. Bravo. Mashallah, you're like a commander.
Okay, so on the first floor we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 rooms, and one on that side is like balcony
But
veranda,
balcony,
indoor.
like a winter garden.
Yeah, like a winter garden. Let's go inside the first room. And the windows, let me open up. Wow, the view is really good. And living inside this kind of tree house is gonna be an amazing feeling. Yeah. It's so healthy. It's so healthy for your body also. So going towards this room, this is the biggest room of this area, and as you can see, there are some AC installed. You can install ACs on this area, the windows, and it's big room, quite big. That's why we are saying this is master room. Yeah, and on this side you have the same view of your running channel. And on the back side there are...
Let me show them voice of the water and birds.
Perfect. Okay, so now let's move on to the third room. This can be a child room, children room.
Yes, small.
Yes, small room, but it's really like artistic kind of house. Yeah. And on this side we have same size of room. They have two kind of windows, one opening towards this mountains view and one opening towards your veranda or indoor balcony side. Okay, let's go on to the balcony. The balcony is really very big. Just imagine you are living with your family in this house. So definitely this would be the perfect spot in the evening. You can spend your all evening over here having dinner, doing chit chat with your parents, with your siblings. I can imagine some evening like this with my family if I'm living in this house. And on this side you have an amazing view of swimming pool. Obviously there is no view of Sapanca lake because there are big trees around us. But if you see on the left side, there is like a mosque right next to our house. And mashallah, the land is really big. You can do many things over here. Like an idea, you buy this land, rebuild on it like 3 villas, and you can definitely make 3 times or 4 times more profit from the same land.
And you know, it's not an obligation in current situation already. If you make the small alteration and renovation for the property, it is really good living
yeah,
area.
yeah.
It is really good.
Yeah, because if you already know about Sapanca, it's really very like the land, the Sapanca is like high demand. Everyone wants to buy. Arabic people especially love this area. So this is like a very reasonable and you can say like cheap opportunity.
So, for catching this opportunity, you can directly contact with me. My mobile and WhatsApp number is 00905322078634. You can see my number on swiping under the screen, and you can find the details of the price on the description section. Please check it out.
Yeah, and we will be back soon with more amazing videos of villa and houses in Turkey. So don't forget to subscribe our channels, OZR Projects, Shor Vlogs.
Yes.
Yeah, and also like this video. Your likes gives us more motivation. And if you have any feedback, if you want us to improve something, or if you want to give your any opinion, don't forget to write in the comment section. That's really useful for us.
Definitely. Okay. So, thanks for watching.
Fi amanillah.
Fi amanillah.
Bye.
These plots also suitable for construction. What does it mean? It contains 15% from ground construction rate for 2.5 floors. 2.5 floors. Basically, when we account I will show how we are accounting basically. Keep it. When you decide to build on it, there is some part will be taken by the belediye, by the local administration as a green area. Exactly remaining size will be 2,200 square meters. 2,200 square meters. In current situation, it is 3,000 square meters. Like that, if you are gonna build something on it, some part of the plot will be taken by local administration. Around 800 square meters will be remain for the public services, for the green area, so that we are gonna account on for 2,200 square meters. Okay, I told you it contains 15% construction rate. What is it is 330 for 2.5 floors. Şöyle tut. For 2.5 floors minus 2.5, 825. This is net size of the construction. Plus there is a the construction contains upstairs, walls, veranda, something like that. We are gonna account basically for gross area for according it. Basically we are doing like that. We are minus 1.2. Totally you are almost have 99 and almost 1,000 square meters size for the concrete construction area. I hope that this knowledge, this information will be clear for you. Okay.